Okay, you see it, Dad?
Wow.
Yeah, you can see it. Yeah. Touches it. Ooh. Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You pick up the ones that fall out, eh?
Oh, one coming.
This is our 50, 60 plus year old orange tree. Apple. The tree takes the nutrients from the seeds and it just gives it back life for new season. Coming along nicely. Look how big these are. How big this blueberry is. It's not even like in the proper season. Have a look.
I can't believe how many there are.
Yeah.
We've been eating off this tree for how long, do you reckon?
3 months.
3 months. Solid 3 months.
It's produced so well.
All that much.
You know, I don't know if it was because of the prune or because we took energy away from the spot, so it gave the energy back to the tree. Eh? They say, no, it's good if the birds are eating them.
Yeah. Thank you.
When you peel it off like this, it's ready. It's calling you.
Yeah, Mum.
Look at that. You're going to peel it off with one hand, not your finger. Oh, juicy. You ever seen someone peel a mandarin with their tongue? No, the other ones eat this because he peeled this all the time.
Yummy, eh?
Heaps of seeds, eh?
Let's have a break and we just peel some mandarins for ourselves and have...
Oh, he loves mandarin. They're still mean. They're still nice, juicy. We just couldn't get to them all. There was so many. Aria was eating like 10 plus a day, you know. Me and Tia eating 5 to 10 a day. You don't get sick of them though. And our tangelos are still coming. Like look, they're dropping, but they're real sour. Into this navel orange tree that hasn't been performing well, but this other navel tree pumping. And our lemon tree that I pruned right back is producing lemons. And there's our new lemon tree. Big lemons too.
knew you were gonna go for one. Come on, show the king your mandarin. Good girl. Come on.
Another one. Going back to the tree.
A day in the life on the whenua. Tantalize in what was
Yeah, no,
oh, you're right. You're alright. It's alright. You always fall over. It's alright. I'll zoom in.
Making that mushroom shape.
They're huge, but they're so solid.
Yeah.
Like, this is how you know that fruit is our true kai, our true food, because it's so bright, vibrant, you know, it like pulls you in energetically. It makes you want to consume it.
Look at it.
Where, you know,
Vibrating.
what makes you want to consume something like that?
Yeah, what makes...
It's our fruit. Like, see, these like pull you in.
Yeah, full bag of oranges, almost full crate of mandarins, heaps of lemons, all from the garden. The mother. Give thanks. He's still eating. Yeah, look at that. Tree looks much happier. You're seeing the shape? That's fine. My girl's up to and... Hey?
You've been... Oh, she's great.
Hey. Hey.
She's just sitting.
Hey.
Hey, Jaja.